Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm bringing to you the summer ready vacation type of hair that I received from the company called MsBuy. Now this is a lace front curly wig, and this is my very first time installing a wig like this and doing the whole melted lace method and gluing the lace and making it look like it's coming from my scalp. All right, y'all, you guys, please watch this video. Let me know how I did, and please, take it easy on me because I am a beginner in this method, but I do believe that I can get better, and I will get better with practice. And that's what it's all about, right? Learning together and growing together. Okay, so make sure you check my description box for all the details on this hair and what I did to install it. I am going on vacation, and yes, I am bringing this unit with me. So if you guys want to see exactly what I did to get this unit on and looking the way it's looking right now, okay, I'm doing the best I could do. Keep on watching. Just showing you guys the packaging. It came in this box and also included some accessories such as the wig caps. I love when companies add little accessories in their packaging. I think that's so cute. Also came in with this band if you want to sew this on, and some lashes. I thought these lashes looked cute. I haven't tried them on yet, but I will soon. And all right, so just letting you know, I did go ahead and shampoo and condition the hair overnight and let it air dry. Right here, I'm just showing you guys the texture, what it looked like after it air dried. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. No shedding, none of that. All right. And then the hairline was my favorite part of this hair. The hairline was so natural, especially for beginners like myself. I ain't got time to be tweezing and trying to make the hairline look natural. This was perfect for me. All right, now I'm just gonna go in and do the side part like I always do. I don't like middle part so much. I typically go with a side part. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and cut the lace. Now you can cut the lace by taking the hair off and doing it, but I prefer to cut the lace while the hair is on my head. Okay, so I'm taking your time on this step. Do not rush it, because if you cut too far back, you're gonna experience some shedding. So just make sure to not cut too far back into the hairline. Take your time. Practice makes perfect. Don't let anyone rush you. At this point, I'm kind of like, yo, right here, I'm just admiring that hairline. Like, what? Like, if I wanted to, I could just sew in that band in the back and not even have to apply glue, but I'm going to apply glue, the got to be glue today, the free spray. All right, so I'm going to apply the free spray above my edges, above my hairline, because I don't want to like rip my edges off once I'm ready to take this off. So that's my tip to you guys, is to apply the glue just above the hairline. All right, and then I'm just going to put the unit on top of that glue just so that it can stick and be tacky. Next time, I'm going to do this section by section. That's something that I learned from after this video. Doing it section by section is better than doing it all at once. Okay, then I go in with a blow dryer just to make sure, that it's not going to budge. It doesn't budge. This step is optional, but I find that the blow dryer makes it stick even better. And the ear flaps were kind of like, not cooperating, so I went back in with some got to be glued in the dryer just to make sure that it doesn't budge. But like I said, next time I'm going to improve. I've already improved this process from this video. Next time I'm going to do a section by section and let it get tacky first, and then apply the hair on top of the glue, the got to be glue. Just going to go back and make sure I didn't miss any spots, because I don't want this hair to budge. All right, I'm going to get in water, etc. I need this to stay on. Going to go in with my comb, the end part of the comb. I forgot what it's called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I also improved this step too. I find that doing this is better than my fingers. Okay, I didn't even have to apply powder, honestly, to the part, but I went ahead and did it. But yeah, I didn't need to. This unit didn't need it. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do some baby hairs. This process also improved for me. I didn't want the baby hairs to be too thick or too long. I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So here I'm gonna go in and cut the baby hairs and then apply my got to be ultra glue gel to lay those baby hairs down. As you can see here, I'm just like trying to make it not thick, and it was looking a little too long. So I did go ahead, you'll see, with some scissors to cut some of those baby hair pieces so that it looked more natural. I don't like the extreme baby hairs. I'm not into that look, y'all. I thought how I did it here was like, I could get better, but I felt like it fit my face better. And here I'm just customizing, making sure, checking out that hairline, making sure it looks how I want it to look. Then I'm gonna go in with some water and apply some water into the hair, and then apply the argan oil style mousse from Cream of Nature, just to get those curls popping a little more. I felt like it did a great job with the curls. Ooh, I'm starting to feel myself right here. I'm like, oh girl, you doing it, you doing it. I was so nervous, but once it started coming together, I was like, oh my God, I did it, I can do it. Gonna apply some Got To Be Free spray in the front just to give it a little bump, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little volume. I wanted that to stand up a little, if that makes sense. Yes, girl, do it. Baby hairs are laid. Gonna apply a scarf to secure that even more. And I did go ahead to the beauty supply store and buy those tissue paper things that you can wrap on the front. Yeah, but I also improved that process, okay? So after like 10 minutes, I took the scarf off just to see how everything was coming together. And y'all, okay. Look at that. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? My first time doing this type of method. Like, what? Oh my God. I was so happy. My hair just came out fabulous. The hair is fabulous. It feels so good. I went on vacation with this hair. It did not shed. I went in the pool, got it wet, washed, conditioned, and it still looks amazing. MsBuy, y'all really did this with this hair, y'all. And I'm just showing you guys the back, what the texture is looking like back there. Beautiful. If I must say so myself. Yeah, guys, like, what? All right, y'all, and that's it. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm super excited to get better and learn new techniques. So please, in my comment section, let me know any suggestions that I can do to make this process a little smoother, a little easier. Like I said earlier, this is my first time. I'm a beginner, so I can use some pointers to improve this process. All right, and let me know whether you like this hair, whether you think it's summer appropriate. What I like the most about this unit is the texture. It's light, it's not heavy. I don't feel like I have like thousands of bundles, you know what I'm saying, installed. And yeah, I do think this is very much appropriate for hot climates, for the water, the beach, vacation, whatever you want to do this summer. I think this is the perfect unit for that. All right, so again, check out my description box for all the details and the specs on this unit. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all of my social media, including Instagram and Snapchat. See my description box. All right, until next time, bye.